the chords that we were doing today was this chord. I will send the chords afterwards. So this is open on the bottom string, 3rd fret, open, 4th fret, 3rd fret. So it's a C with a flat 5 or a sharp 4, augmented 4th. That's what this is. And then the open G. So you just want to get good at that one. Then you want to try moving it down one. That's going to be a stretch there once you get the other one down. Then keep that form and do the top 4 strings. Let's try that C again. C. This is a B minor. E minor. E minor 9. 3 5 or 1 5 9. E minor 9 is what that is. Hit the open E with that one. So you can do stuff like that. See, that's that other one. So if you move this finger down a string, got that one. Alright, we'll play around with that this week.